Hey, it's Nash and Joe with the Tampa Drain Dudes. Today we are in Tampa Palms. We're doing an extension on a drain we've already installed at this house. We put one between the two neighbors going down the sides of the house, but now we've got this channel drain here. You can see it's only an inch. Very small, and it gets overwhelmed very quickly when it rains. We've got a catch basin here, but I'm not sure that it goes anywhere either. Basically, whenever it rains, this whole area is flooding into the Lanai because it gathers in the low spots right here along this channel drain. What we're gonna do is come in, put some PVC pipe with some T's and some catch basins in there, in all of the low spots. That way the water has somewhere to go rather than just this 1-inch channel drain, which is actually sitting a little too high in the first place. So it's not doing too much to protect this Lanai. We're gonna start it down there with a catch basin, run it along the perimeter of the Lanai, probably swap to 4-inch drain pipe here, where we're gonna take it outside and connect it to our existing system. You can see right there that starts at this downspout. Pretty simple job. If you've got this problem at your house, you can definitely do it yourself. We'll show you how. Big man Joe bringing in the pipe.
It's a great day to have a great day.
Oh my God, he's so right. Clean job's a happy job. It's like magic.
That's me. I'm magic.
Now, I don't know about you guys, but something is telling me this just ain't working the way that it should. This is very small, very no helping, very no good.
Ain't no good.
But it's probably just like that at the start. Can't imagine the whole line is away. It's all like that. Clogged. See, we've got a super tight space to work with. Over pour here from the pavers comes to right here. Pour from the Lanai's right here.
I think mine beats yours.
It's not all about size.
Size is a big part of it.
So that's pretty tight getting this fit in here, and even going deeper. Something solid. All right, you can see us here now. We're starting to wallow out a path so we can get this 2-inch pipe in. 2-inch is not as big as we'd like to go, but unfortunately it is the largest that we can definitely fit in this line. Reason being is we have the concrete from the pavers, which yes, we could cut and widen it, but we're also right up against the Lanai here, where there's the foundations pour. And about 2 1/4 inches down, we have a gas line. So there isn't really a lot of wiggle room, and this is the max size pipe we could run. Here all we did was clean out the existing 12-inch catch basin. We directly tied our line into it. That basin will quickly fill with water in a good rain, and it'll actually give a lot of push to the water down the line. You can see we're using the level here to make sure we have good slope, and every about 5 feet or so we're putting in a catch basin point. Alright, we cleaned out the existing catch basin, tied it into our line. You can see it's a pretty simple system. Just using the level to make sure we've got good downhill slope. Just putting in some emitters on some T's, that way there's some access point for the water to actually seep into. Pretty simple. Gonna have this redone with drain rock most likely. Going down the line. Alright, here you can see Joe and I step aside for a second and discuss what's next on this plan. We're not sure if we wanted to run the 2-inch line all the way to the fence and under, or if we wanted to switch to 4-inch line, so we can give a little bit of buffer for that pipe. We ended up going with 4-inch, and you'll see that process here in a second. Moving down the line here, we've got our third catch basin, our fourth and final mini catch basin. I guess technically it's an atrium. Still got decent slope coming down here. And once we come out to the edge of these pavers here, we're gonna use an adapter and swap back to our 4-inch drain line. That way, this length of pipe can open up here and really let out all the water. We don't want to run 2-inch the whole time. Constricts the flow. So the sooner we can get to larger diameter pipe, the better flow we're gonna have. How's that digging?
You know, it's digging.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad!
It's like all the other days we have to dig through rock.
Those are not the good days. This is where things stop making sense. I get there's one water feature back here. Nothing else. Never been anything else. So what is going on here? Got 3 2-inch lines. They're right in the way, amigo. See if there's 4. I guess we'll have to go under all 3. Survey says...
Sir, well, yeah, we're gonna have
Leave your opinion in the comments if you think there's going to be a 4th 2-inch pipe. If not, then we're going to go under the 3. And if we can go under the 3, we'll be happy campers. But if we cannot be campers, you are going to win an exclusive trip to the Bahamas. That's where we're going for his bachelor party.
Oh, is it now?
I don't know yet. All right, we got this trench dug. We're going to swap to 4 here. Go under all these pipes. A lot of roots. Some more pipes. We're going to come out here. Where we've got our existing line just on the other side of that hedge that we're going to tie directly into. 4 inches in. Connected there. Just gotta splice it in here. And we'll run it out the back. All right. Got the backside here. It's coming out under the fence. And tees in to our downspout redirecting drain we have here. You can see this yard was basically underwater. Go ahead and put the link to the video where we did this whole install right here. If you didn't click and watch it, it's okay. You're just not a true fan. But hard part's all out of the way. All we got to do is backfill now, pack up, wash off, and we'll be on to our next job. All right, dirt is back on. Pipe is connected to our existing line. Really, the last step would just be to swap this skinny line here with some drainage rocks to help filter in these atriums. Pretty simple job though. Was a super tight space, so that's pretty much the largest size pipe we could fit. Thank you guys for watching. If you are in the Tampa area and you're looking to get a drain installed at your house, check us out at tampadraindudes.com. Otherwise, if you're just watching this for DIY purposes, possibly entertainment, but that's probably not likely, go ahead, like, subscribe. See you on the next one.